Howdy folks, welcome back. Today we're gonna play with some bucktail. I'm just kind of playing around. I got a guy asked me for some bucktail jigs. He wanted blackheads and pink tails, so here we go. I got a blackhead. I've not UV resined the head yet, and that is because when I UV resin the threads here in a minute, you'll see I'll catch the head and everything then. So let's just jump right in her. Oh, about a 1/4 inch or so for a thread base, not much. Don't need much. And these are for panfish and crappie, so keep in mind we're not going to have a ton of deer hair. Just the tiniest drop of super glue right yonder, and then we'll wrap these threads. That kind of works that super glue down in there a little bit. In my hair stacker, I'll get this pinch of bucktail out. Gets it all even, where everything's the same length. We'll measure her up. Let's make sure there's no loose ones. We'll get them out of there because that'll make your thread wraps pretty loose. About right there. Looks like that'll do it. I cut this over a trash can. It's off camera, but that stuff goes everywhere, y'all. Now, there's our little tuft of deer hair, bucktail. A couple of the loosest wraps, and then get her tied in. It's about like I want it right there. Get lucky every once in a while, right? Then we'll build up here by the head. On these, I am going to put a tiny sliver of Mirage Flashaboo down each side. And what I'll do for that, I'll kind of measure here. Just come in here and catch your thread. Just like that. I'll cut it off. I just want it to be about as long as the deer hair is. And we'll build up a little collar here. Just take your time. I take my time. I'm in no hurry. You shouldn't be neither. That looks about good to me. Throw a whip finish to it. We'll cut that off. And I'll come in with some UV resin. And I'll resin coat those threads, and I'll get the head too. Okay. Just start smearing it around a little bit. It's probably enough right there. And I'll take what I've put on there. And I'll coat that head, that powder coated head, with that UV resin. It becomes indestructible. You can bounce this thing off rocks, docks, fish after fish after fish after fish. And it just takes the punishment and keeps asking for more. Now what I'll do, I got it like I want it right there, see? come in here and set it with a UV flashlight. This does not cure it. It's just going to set that resin. Then I'll put it in a light box. Now, in the light it goes. There's the finished product after you get it out of the light. See, it's cured up hard as a boar's nut. There you go, simple little bucktail jig. Y'all get out there and tie some of these. If you don't tie, fish some of them. Get a hold of me, I'll set you right up. Appreciate y'all watching. God bless you, and I'll catch you on the next one.